Hi, welcome to MarQetFlow. I'll be doing a quick analysis on QQ, SPY, Tesla, NEO, and see where they're going in the next coming days in the short term. If you want to see my longer view of the market, please consider watching the video that I published on Thursday. That one explained in very detail. It's a very longer video, but I explain in detail where I think we're going in the long term and my thesis on that. If you like these videos, please consider subscribe and like the button. Right now, I think the SPY, I'm reading right now the futures, they look good, and there hasn't been a panic sell like many thought it would happen. We're consolidating, and if you watch my video on Thursday again, you will know that this is the move that I was calling and waiting for. Right now, we're making now higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, and I expect coming down to this particular point tomorrow, 41.51. That's the futures, but if I look at the SPY right now, it should be very similar or semi-similar. It looks like it wanted it to break out. I'm not exactly sure if this is really a trend pattern. I just put it there. But I'm gonna take it out because there hasn't been much confirmed on that particular line. But what it looks like right now on the SPY in the 1 hour is that we may come back and retest the 413, maybe all the way down to 411. If we break that, it's going to look like a double top pattern, and the next target is going to be somewhere around 405 for the SPY. Again, we are doing a retracement, a consolidation, so we can expect to do trading sideways, maybe a little pullbacks, even worst case scenario coming all the way to 400 levels. So that's what I see in the short term. Now, if the SPY breaks up above 418, my target is going to be somewhere around 430. I can see that clearly on the right here. Yeah, my target should be around 430, 437. It depends how much pullback it has, but 430 should be about right. Now let's look at the QQ real quick as well. QQ is doing a very similar pattern right now. One thing to notice about the QQ is they did not finish on all-time highs like QQ, like Tesla, not Tesla, SPY did. So it may do sort of a zigzag correction or an ABC, A, B, C, and right now the target should be about 330. That is what I see currently. However, if we don't break, or QQ doesn't break 334, it may just keep consolidating here sideways, waiting for the 20 moving average, and then eventually waiting for the next leg to the upside. So that's what QQ looks like. Let's look at it in the 1 hour chart real quick. Yep, that's what it looks like right now. It almost looked like it broke above this trend line. It may do a little back test here. It may consolidate for a few days. But then the next target from here, if it doesn't break down, my next target for QQ is 360 right here. And if as soon as it breaks 342, I'm going to make myself a position. I'm gonna enter in a position for the 360 for QQ. I see this as a bullish market still a little bit. Yep, there's not much sign of a bearish sign, even though there is negative news. Go back to my Thursday video to find out what I think about a Tesla. Let's do analysis here. Yeah, we have a positive momentum to the upside. Again, if you watch my Thursday video, you see how I got a target for bears for 400. So if it breaks down this trend line right here, about 650, I'm going to enter on a bearish position right here all the way to 400. That will be my target. So the reason why, it's because we finished an ABC correction right here. and it was not an impulsive wave. But you know, anything can happen. Right now everything's bullish, nothing is bearish on Tesla, and we are still above the 20 and 50 moving average. If everything goes right with Tesla, the upside target is 880. That's my target if it breaks above our current highs, if it breaks above 760, especially with the earnings. So Tesla can go big on both direction at this particular point. Neo looks more bullish. Neo looks like he already has made his decision of where he wants to go, and he wants to go to the upside. Right now the next target is 42.96, and it's looking very bullish, especially since earnings is at the end of the week. Now let's look at some of the calls that I made during the week. One of them is Spotify. On Spotify, I made a call when we closed this gap right here. I enter in a position, I bought a few calls and a few shares, and I'm doing very well so far. I'm looking to make 100% of my shares. I'm currently about 70%, but once we get to the 15 moving average, I'm gonna sell a few of my calls, take some profits, and then just let it sit there for earnings. This is my play, my target right now for Spotify, and I can explain more in detail in the video in the description. I'll put it there where I shared my place. It's about, right now my target's 310 short term. Long term, I think it's gonna go all the way to all-time highs, but it's to be determined. We have positive momentum to the upside. The other one, it's BABA. I as well created a position on BABA to the bullish. I think we are about to break to the upside. There is so many investors, they are creating positions here, including Charlie Munger. And Charlie Munger is one of those who have been very vocal about the bubble in which the market is currently at. So by me getting into BABA, I believe this is going to make my portfolio more stable, less volatile. This is a value play with growth, so it's a very strong play right now. And I think this is it for now, and thank you for watching. Again, subscribe, share the video. I recommend you watching the Thursday video, and I explain in detail what I think about the market in the short and long term. And as well, thank you for watching and have a great night. Bye.